are at Value Village at Pembina. We are wearing everything thrifted, except for the shoes. That's not thrifted, but Fendi bag.
That's Fendi.
This is from Salvation Army, Value Village, and Value Village. Anyway, come on, let's go. I look fat. The selection is still limited to nothing. All the same bags. Except that thing underneath there, I don't know what that is. Don't have anything over there. I don't know why they don't have any new inventory. Like, what's going on? Do you have any glasses? What are these? Are these Gucci? No. Made in China. Made in China. No. Let's see if there's any glasses here that are name brand. There's Bulova. I've seen that last time. And these ones are nothing. What are these? These are not Ray-Ban. What is this? No, I saw that before. Yeah. Is that bad?
Well, they're only like $50 US for a swatch like that.
Oh.
But hopefully I could find it cheaper than $20.
It's kind of cute little bag charm.
I have similar like that.
Hey, here's a Kipling monkey. Is that it?
Kipling bag.
Is that Kipling?
Yes.
Yeah, it is actually.
See, magnetic siya.
Oh, nice. Coupon.
Don't forget that.
This is where I found that Michael Kors wallet for $8. I thought this Danny leather wallet was cute. Yellow. $8, I think. Too expensive for me.
$7.
Yeah.
Expensive for you?
Yeah, it is. What is brand is this? I can't see. He's kind of cute. A pattern.
Have you ordered something from Wish before?
My mom has.
I saw a Celine kind of like plastic tote bag.
Did you?
I want to like order it. It's like $16. YSL tote bag. Depop took it off.
Why?
Well, apparently it's not authentic.
Copyright infringement?
I said, how do you know? It's a purchase.
Yeah.
It's real.
Some people do that just to like hate.
Maybe somebody reported it. Diba?
Yeah.
I took it off. Should just release it.
Like a glove. Perfect for you.
Released it somewhere.
This thing.
London Town.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a fake coach.
Where? Oh, that one, yeah.
Fake coach.
I haven't found anything good here in a while.
London.
There's like a fake coach there.
It's been there forever, right? This one?
That one, yeah, that's been there forever.
That one's been there forever.
This lug is like 25 for the skipper.
How much is that?
25. Crazy. Weren't you looking for a... Oh, never mind. That was Rochelle. It was. Yeah. There's nothing but crap here today. There's a look at clothes. Shirt. I know Comme des Garçons is expensive, but that doesn't look like a really good label. And it says made in China over here. So I don't know how authentic this is. I know Comme des Garçons is an expensive brand. It says made in China. So I think that's a knockoff. Noir sweater, which I thought was really interesting looking with the quilting. They sell this at Neiman Marcus. I knew it was something because of the label. It just looked really kind of high-end label. Retails for about 120 US, but I'm gonna pass on it even though it's cute. Michael Kors looks kind of like a hot mess. even sold my Marc Jacobs dress or my Diane von Furstenberg. It's kind of cute. Tallulah. It's kind of cute.
What?
Fossil, yes. Yes, please. No wall strap though, but it is what it is.
Đi váy, không sai váy. Đi ra góc, đừng ngủ à. Ngủ với ta đi về đi. Đi con đấy. It's definitely Daniel leather, I think. $20 for that. I don't know if you want to spend $20 on that. And a Fendi today. Very cute. $12.99 naman yun eh.
this color. But it's $3.99. Kulang. Kulang.
Hey guys, it's Miss Philly. I just did a quick thrift trip with Nancy today. We didn't really pick up anything spectacular, but we did manage to pick up a few things which I want to share with you guys. But first, we want to do bag of the day, which is the Fendi Baguette, which is I think it's a large size. Ugh, I used it today. It was so nice using it, especially if you're wearing like a black bottoms, a white top. It looks really chic. I love it so much. I've got a lot of inquiries about this bag, but I just haven't committed to selling it yet. I've gotten, a lot of really solid, good offers, but I just love it a lot. And it does retail online for like used for like $385, $400, depending on the condition. And this is in an excellent condition, okay? So, but I do love the bag a lot. It's just so very chic. I love it. So we went to the Value Village on Pembina, found completely nothing, because we also had a $5 off coupon when you spend $15. So we wanted to utilize that, Nancy and I. So we went to Pembina, found nothing. Regent, I found this Dior Beauty kind of like makeup bag. It was only $2, and you can fit like a lot of stuff in it, which I love. And you know, this is usually a gift with purchase, but for $2 you don't have to spend like $100 for it to receive it. And I like it. It's in great condition, and it snaps clothes, and it's great for travel. It's Dior. Next, we found this Fossil bag. It's such a great price at $8. It's in great condition. It has a slip pocket on the back and a little Fossil tab right here. It didn't have the crossbody strap, but when I went over to the crossbody straps, I found the strap over there, and they listed the price at $6. And yeah, so I told them, I'm like, well, this is the strap for the bag. Why are you guys pricing it separately? And they took the price off of this strap, and they only charged me $8 for the bag, which is amazing because now it has the crossbody strap with it. Makes it a hell of a lot more sellable. This is the kind of Fossil that sells well, you know, leather, crossbody, top handle, great condition. This bag, yeah, fabulous condition. Little dirty in here, like specks of white. Someone was clearly a coke whore, but yeah, so this will probably net me at least $50 to $60, I believe. The last thing we got was a little bit pricey, but I still needed to spend money. I couldn't find anything to spend my money on, so I bought this. They're a pair of Miu Miu glasses. I just thought they were very like Lisa Loeb, circa 90s, very, you know, they're made in Italy. Sorry, I'm not going to say because I get annoyed when people say all the time, and someone had commented that on my video. These were $25, which is reasonable for Miu Miu. They're in excellent condition. I love that there's like iridescent sparkles right here. Like, can you see that? Not on the front, which is weird. Why would you put it on the back but not on the front? But I'll show you what they look like on. They're very like functified. What do you guys think? I don't know. I just thought they were kind of cool. Different, definitely, you know, not an everyday kind of glasses wear, but if you do want to stand out, maybe wear those. I just thought they were kind of nifty and just something different than your regular normal glasses. So that's why we got these. I'm not sure if they necessarily, not certainly, fit my face, so, or if they go with the shape of my face. Who knows? But I just thought they were cool. And they're like plaid on the interior. Regardless, they were only $25, and I got $5 off of everything. So yeah, that's what we got. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Remain positive, be productive, and be productive. Progressive. That's it. Bye, guys.